A very good morning, students. This is your Shukla ma'am from our well-known and prestigious institution, Ideal Institute of Engineering, Kalyani, from the Department of Basic Science and Humanities. I hope so you all are absolutely fine and taking a very special care of your health. Anyway, welcome back to my personal grooming classes, especially for the whole first year to the fourth year students communities. So today I am here to discuss about a very important, very pivotal topic, that is how anyone can develop his communication skills. For your kind informations, I'd like to tell you that personal grooming, especially you people have a very clear perceptions about that. Personal grooming classes, it includes our personality skills, it includes our presentation skills, it includes our communication skills, and another so many skills are there like leadership skills, our confidence skills, our negotiation skills, our adjustment skills. So all these skills is playing a very pivotal role to make your lucrative, successful professional career. So likewise, communication skills is another very important part of personal grooming classes. Okay, actually for your informations, I'd like to tell you that actually you people right now, you people are pursuing your professional or technical courses and all. And after the completion of your BTech, whenever you people will enter in your professional field, before going there, you people need to be possessed with so many different skills, which I already have started discussing in our personal grooming classes. Previously, I have discussed with you all how we can develop our presentation skills, how we can develop our personality skills, how we can develop our etiquette skills. And likewise, communication skills is also another very pivotal, very important part for all of you. Okay, so let's start. In fact, good communication skills is very important it's very important for all the professionals. Okay, and English is basically, as you all know that, English is basically perceived to be our official language. Okay, and English language is very essential in the lives of a young people who aspire to advance their career anywhere of the world. Okay, and in fact, good communication skills, like the people of poor communicator, without having a good communication skills, you always will be misinterpreted and underestimated too. That means a poor communicator is always misinterpreted. You always will be underestimated person. So always try to improve your or develop your communication skills only for your own development, only for your own sake too. English, actually, without having a good communication skills, you can hardly expect success. And English language, English communications involves one's ability to listen carefully and writing precisely and listening so with full of attention, and finally speaking efficiently and eloquently. Okay, and having a very good communication skills is not a matter of joke. It will take some time. You people have to keep your proper patience, your perseverance, your commitment, your dedications, your sincerities. All the different parts are badly required to have your communication skills. Okay, and English language is not same as learning to any other subjects. It's not confined in writing an examinations or getting a degree and award. Actually, the fact is that for your kind information, I'd like to tell you the four skill of reading, writing, listening and speaking have to be practiced on regular basis consistently. Otherwise, nothing great will come, my dear students, friends. In fact, actually for your kind informations, I'd like to tell you being able to communicate properly is the most important factor while seeking a placement in any renowned organizations. And English language is basically, it's all about the 4 different skills. If you wanna be a very rounded communicator, you people have to be embraced and possessed with some 4 different skills like reading, writing, listening and speaking. Okay. Now the questions arises very naturally that how we can develop our communication skills. Like, in order to become a well-rounded communicator, you people have to be embraced with reading, writing, listening, speaking. And you know, key for your kind informations, I'd like to tell you key, listening and reading are perceived to be as a receptive skills. Listen to me, my dear students, friends. Reading and listening are perceived to be our receptive skills, because in that skill the learner don't need to produce any language. They just receive and understand the whole stories and all. So sometimes seldom better we call it as a passive skills. But if I say anything regarding about the about our speaking skills and about our writing skills, both speaking and writing are perceived to be as our active skills, because in that skills actually the learner basically, the speaker basically basically use these languages in need of produce few languages and all. So in that respect, speaking and writing are perceived to be as our active skills. Okay. So today I am going to discuss about 4 different skills which will help us to be a very rounded, very expert, very efficient speaker. So let's talk about listening first. Reading first. Sorry. Reading skills actually is a learning skills. Okay. Actually reading skills actually it helps to improve all other different parts of English language and literature, like spelling, like grammar questions, like vocabulary, like writing portion also. Actually reading skills actually basically whenever you are trying to read something, some novels, some articles and all, like try to underline the keywords. Don't forget to underline the keywords. It will help you to know, to have some focus on, to be much more aware and efficient enough about the important and particular part of that particular text. Okay. In fact, whenever, like everybody, in my point of view as a teacher of English, I must tell you, that is my honest suggestions to all of you. Get habituated with the habit of reading, like any kind of articles, any newspaper, like each and every day on regular basis, only to know about the stock of words, to be embraced with, to be possessed with enough stock of words, and to know about the different very outer knowledge. So I think reading skills, you people, if you want to be a rounded and a very good communicator, you people have to be embraced with reading skills. So what next? That is writing. Writing is another very important part of communications, English communications. Writing is basically, it helps to the learner to measure his improvement. It helps any kind of learner to measure his improvement, that how much improved you have done, you have accomplished. Okay. Writing to write out like flawless writing, you people always have to be embraced with lots of practices are required. Okay. Each and every day try to write something. Okay. And always emphasis should be important, should be given on the particular part, writing, like writing sections or any articles or any creative writing, which will help you to be more expert enough in communications. Okay. So writing is another very important part of English communications, because whenever you are going to be a engineer, right now you will be a upcoming engineer, whenever you will be a particular field, you will enter in your professional field, you people may have to write some official letters. Okay. And so many things you will have to be embraced with. So in that respect, writing skills, if you do not know how to write any articles, if you do not know how to write any official letter, if you do not know how to write any technical letters and all, business letters and all. And like mail, you don't know, if you don't have any perceptions about how to write a mail, then you have to face so many problems and all, my dear students, friends. So writing skill, you people, if you wanna be a rounded and very good and expert enough in your communication skills, writing skills also playing a very important role. And another very important part, important informations I'd like to include regarding writing skills. Like whenever you are trying to write anything, try to maintain the coherence. Writing should be very logical and very rational, and most importantly should be to the point. Okay, so it's all about the writing skills. And what comes next, that is listening. Listening, actually a good listener always gets social recognitions, a effective listener always gets respect, and like from his surroundings and all, can win the heart of anybody. So always you need to be a very good listener, because if you do not listen properly now, you will not be able to understand the basic theme of the stories. So if you want to improve your listening skills, always try to do something, some initiative, try to take some initiative, positive initiative. Like always be very much attentive towards that person who is telling you something. So that is the first part to improve your listening skills. And what next? That is always keep your eye contact with that person who are delivering his personal lectures in front of you. Okay, that is another very important solutions I can provide you to improve your listening skills. Another very important thing is that always try to be much more attentive towards that person. You have to give your full and proper attention towards that person who is telling you, who is going to tell you something. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand anything. In fact, for your kind informations, I'd like to tell you that we have a very misconceptions about that hearing and listening. Both are in the same boat. No, my dear students, friends. Hearing, listening is not hearing. Hearing is a very casual process. Whenever someone is telling you something, it's not required you have to give your full attention on that particular person. But listening, on the other hand, simultaneously, listening is a very serious process. You have to keep your full attention on that particular person who is telling you something. So always try to improve your listening skills. If you do not be able to be impressed with that kind of skills, you will not be very much successful in your professional career. Suppose let's take an example in that respect. Suppose you have faced in job interviews and all. So many people, so many renowned personalities are there. Individual persons, they are asking you various types of questions regarding your technical field. Okay? But if you do not listen to them, if you do not listen to them properly, if you do not pay to their words properly, you will not be able to understand anything, you will not be able to give the answer of that particular questions. So always try to be very much attentive towards that person who is telling you something. Keep your eye contact and be very much attentive towards that person to improve your listening skills. And what next? That is our speaking skills. As you know, like a good English speaker always gets social respect, social recognitions, like professional recognitions too. Okay? Actually, for your kind informations, I'd like to tell you that actually good English speaker, English is the only and one language which helps in international interactions. So always try to improve that language only for your own survival, only for your own if you want to survive in that, if you want to survive or sustain in your professional fields, you always need to be embraced with good communication skills. Okay, and if you want to improve these kind of skills, you need to be embraced with so many things. Like first of all, how we can develop our communication skills. We can develop our communication skills in various ways. Like first of all, the thing is that practice. My dear students, friends, if you want to be much more rounded communicator, my suggestions as a teacher of English, like whatever English medium or Bengali medium board, it doesn't matter much, my dear students. First of all, the thing you people have to rethink or very much cautious about that, how we can improve our communication skills. That is, practice will be the ultimate solutions to improve your communication skills. There is a proverb goes on, practice makes man perfect. So always try to keep in touch with practice. Otherwise, no one can help you, not even Almighty God. Okay? And what is the next solutions to improve your communication skills? That is, find an English conversation partner. Always try to choose any people with whom you feel at home. Okay? Are you getting my point? Like, always try to converse with that person in English each and every day on regular basis. It will increase or enhance or augment your communication skills. What next? That is, surround yourself with English language environment. Your environment should be very like you always have to interact or communicate with so many people who are basically expert enough in that field. Okay? And the third solutions I can provide you to improve your communication skills, that is, record your conversations. Obviously, there is no confusion over that. Each and every day try to record your conversations. Record something, whatever you can do, and then listen to that particular thing. And after that, you will be able to find out your some flaws and your some mistakes, and you can get that particular opportunities to rectify yourself. So that is another very important solutions to improve your communication skills. Talk to yourself. Obviously, each and every day try to talk to yourself. Like, if you feel ashamed to talk, to speak in front of anybody, my suggestion is that close the door and stand in front of the mirror and just do assume that someone is standing before you, and your responsibility is to throw few words, speak some few words, whatever you want to speak. Okay? In this way, you can enhance your communication skills. On the other hand, you can enhance your confidence skills too. So that is another very important solutions I can provide you all to improve your communication skills. And finally, watch English movies each and every day. Read English newspaper to improve your stock of words, to be more enriched with enough vocabulary sense, to be enriched with, to be possessed with new words, stock of words. And another very important solutions I can provide you all to be get habituated watching English movies and all. So all these are the different words to improve your communication skills, my dear students, friends. But most important thing is that if you want to be a rounded communicator, if you want to be an eloquent speaker, if you want to be an expert speaker, if you want to be an efficient speaker, you people always have to keep in touch with practice. Practice and practice. So all these are the different words to develop our communication skills, like reading, writing, listening and speaking. Okay? So it's all about how we can develop our communication skills. I hope so you all have got a very clear perceptions about what I wanted to tell you. Still, if you have any queries, if you have any difficulties to understand my words, my dear students, friends, please let me know through our WhatsApp official group and by calling. So till then, bye, take care.